Are you ready to improve your stone setting skills? Introducing 2 brand new stone setting courses from Jewelers Academy. Learn the art of collet setting and channel setting in these in-depth video courses that guide you through the whole process from start to finish with expert tutor and bench jeweler Hayley Kruger. First, learn to create a round collet to set a faceted diamond-shaped stone, including how to size the setting to any size stone, use the professional tools, and professionally set the stone yourself. This project is perfect for rings, earrings, or necklaces and will upgrade your design possibilities. Next, master the basics of channel setting. Learn to size and solder the setting in place before carving out the channel and finally setting the stones. Hayley covers all aspects of creating these designs through 9 bite-sized videos and supporting downloadable notes. Whatever level you're at, you can work towards creating the designs of your dreams. If you're new to stone setting, we recommend taking the Stone Setting in Silver course first, and then moving on to these more advanced projects. Sign up today to get learning and making right away, or join Jewelers Academy membership to access more than 100 tutorials on jewelry making and how to run a successful handmade business. We can't wait to see what you make.